Hey everyone, my name is Hydro, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how to protect your realms from griefers and hackers. Now, make sure to stick till the end because I'm going to be giving you guys an amazing tip that may just make your realm 100% grief proof. And now, without further ado, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is click on the edit button right next to your realm and go ahead into the game menu and download your realm world. Now I know that my realm is currently expired, but it will work for you. It doesn't matter. Alright, now that it has completed downloading, just click on let's go and then go back to your worlds list and then you'll see a world with your realm name, and right next to that there's going to be a hyphen copy. Alright, so what you want to do is click on edit on that world and scroll down to world options. Now here you'll see a couple of different options, and firstly what you want to do is toggle friendly fire. So friendly fire is basically PvP, and if you do not want any PvP or anything like that in your realm, just go ahead and turn it off. And then show coordinates. If your coordinates are not activated in your realm, you can just turn it on and off over here itself. And then fire spreads, alright. So fire spreads you need to turn off if you don't want fire spreading in your realm. So say from lava or just people spamming with flint and steel. And then TNT explodes of course off. So TNT does not explode at all, which is really handy. And then the other things you can mess with yourself, but I recommend that you do not touch all of those other things. And now I'm just going to go ahead and play my realm, and I'm going to show you guys that TNT does not explode and fire doesn't spread as well. So this is my realm world, and I'm just going to head into the settings and show you guys that cheats are in fact not activated. And now I'm just going to take a block of TNT and show you guys that this actually works. So this looks like a good enough area right outside my house, and as you guys can see I'm placing the flint and steel on the TNT and nothing is happening. All that's happening actually is just fire spawning, which is kind of normal for flint and steel, but the TNT itself is not exploding, which shows proof that it works. Look at this guys, so it works, and I'm just going to show you guys that fire doesn't spread as well. So I'm placing it everywhere, placing it on the plank, everything, and fire does not spread as well. And now to take it to the next level, what you need to do, listen very carefully. All you have to do is go ahead and grab a sign, or if you don't have one, just craft one and just go to your realm spawn. So say that this is my realm spawn. What I'm going to do is place it here and type the exact same thing that I type, because this is really important. Type in, if you grieve you are gay. Alright, so this is it guys, literally this will stop griefing 100% in your realm, and make sure to place these signs almost everywhere, not just in the spawn but in a lot of different places as well, so that this will prevent griefers from griefing your realm. And also maybe add in, if you grief or hack you are gay, this will really be helpful in preventing griefers and hackers. And now for the final thing that I'm going to show you, all you need to do is head into your favorite browser and type in mcpedl.com, and the link will be down in the description as well. And now I'm just going to head over there and show you guys what you need to do. So once you're here, all you need to do is type in no griefers for realms add-on, or as I said before, you can just click on the link in the description and it will directly take you to this page. And now what you need to do is just go scroll all the way down and click on download, and it's going to open up a new ad flight page where you have to wait for 5 seconds, and you know the rule, and then you can just click on download in the media file. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and click on download, and as you guys can see it's going to say antigriefers.mc pack. Now it's going to say a 1 for me because I already have it installed, but for you it's not going to say 1 or any number for that matter. And now all you have to do is actually just click on it, and it's going to automatically open up Minecraft for you, and it's going to start importing it. So now that you have clicked on it and opened up Minecraft and finished importing it, what you need to do is click on play and go into editing your realm world. And then what you need to do is go into behavior packs and click on my packs. And now I have a ton of packs and it doesn't really matter right now. All you need to choose is the anti-grief pack and then click on activate. Now I know you're wondering, why is there a no more ender crystals pack as well? And the reason I didn't include this in the video is because the textures are kind of weird. I mean the mobs and all look kind of weird in it, and that's the reason I didn't include it. But the download link will be in the description down below as well, in case you want to include it in your realm. Alright, so now I'm just going to click on activate, and now it's going to pop up this message saying turn off achievements, but don't worry about it guys. So just click on continue, and I guarantee that achievements won't be turned off, and I'm just going to show you guys that achievements won't be turned off as well as cheats won't be enabled at any point. And now what you want to do is go back and click on edit on your realm again, and what you want to do now is click on replace world. And now once your world is replaced, oh, and I forgot one major thing. So remember, do not forget this. Go back into edit and then go into resource packs and click on It will require all players to accept before joining. Otherwise, this won't work. So most players probably won't install the resource pack, and then it won't work. It will be pointless of you doing all of these things. And now after installing this add-on, again, you can go ahead and replace your realm world with this world. And now your realm will be secure from griefers and hackers, from withers and everything. It will be completely secure from. And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, goodbye.